when she make it look good, she make it look easy, yeah. She never come down, she never come easy, no. We make it look good, she make it look easy, yeah. We never cool down, we too average.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a wig from Vivi Babi Wig, and we got a free wig cap and this card. And you guys know, if you guys do a YouTube video with their hair, you guys get some money back. Like, definitely check out the description box. This is the wig we got today. It's this bomb Body Wave wig, y'all. It's 26 inches. It comes with 4 combs and it's 13 by 4, and it has lace at the back and adjustable straps. Like, yes ma'am. And the curls are so bomb. Then the hairline, like, what? So what I'm doing right now is just making sure my wig aligns with the lines on my wig head. That's how I kind of like make sure I'm parting my wig at the right, space. And I'm going in with some mousse. Sometimes I use water, sometimes I use mousse, just to wet up the hair a little bit so like plucking can be like easier. So now that I've parted the wig in the middle, you guys could do any part you want, middle part, side part, half up, half down. It's up to you. You could pluck it now. I got this tweezer from Amazon. It came like in a pack, and this is my favorite one. Like, it's like the angled one. And now I'm just going in, plucking the middle part, to my desired look. Some people like their parts super thin. Some people like it super big. I don't know what I like. I like it in the middle, I think. Like, sometimes I like it thin, then sometimes I like it big. You never know with me. So that's just what I'm doing. Then I'm going to pluck on camera for you guys. And yeah, I have many other videos where I go in depth about like what I do when I'm plucking. But today's going to be like a watch and learn kind of video. So I'm going to be quiet. And for this video, I kind of did everything like half and half. Like, I did half off camera, then half on camera. Like, I would do, like, let's say the right side on camera, then the left side off camera, just for the sake of this video not being too long, so you guys could stay entertained and it could be educational while you guys are still watching it. So I didn't want to bore you guys, okay? So let me be quiet, but before I do that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Slay team and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and you can be the first to like and comment and share. Okay, bye guys. Let me be quiet. Psych. I'm gonna talk a little bit. So what I like to do is I like to part out the front and just kind of I like to label this as the baby hair, even though it's not really. I just like to do that. And also I like to pluck my wigs in kind of like a widow's peak kind of look, So I always just part this part so like I don't pluck it out too much and miss out and then mess up the wig, because I like to do that a lot. I'm still learning, y'all, just as you guys are. That's why this is like a journey channel. Like, we're gonna get perfect. We're gonna get to arrogant taste, level soon. But at the meantime, this is where we're still at. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that little tip. Like, this is what I use to make sure my widow's peak like hairline still kind of stays while I'm plucking at the back. And then I also have baby hairs. Yep. And be quiet now. Now bringing out my secret weapon, my hot comb. This right here will determine how bomb your wig looks. Literally, a hot comb is like the number one thing you need for your wig to look like amazing, because we love a flat wig. We do not want a hat. We do not want people thinking like, what's wrong with this, what's going on. A hot comb will hide all that. Okay, like you could be bad at plucking, you could be bad at everything else, but as long as your wig is flat, hunty, that's your scalp. That's your real hair, okay? So yeah, this is what my plucking looks like, y'all. Doesn't it look good? Ooh. Then look at the other side. I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, like this is what it looks like, not plucked. So plucking is important. So I hope you guys learned. Then off camera, I had bleached the lace, and y'all, I messed up so bad. So then I had to go in with black dye, and then the dye messed up my wig, y'all. It made it green at the front. So you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about soon. But y'all, just wanted to let you guys know so you guys don't come for me like, I know how to apply my wig, okay? I know how to put on wigs. Y'all know this. Go back and look at my channel. I know how to apply wigs. But that dye really messed me up. It was an emergency, and I just was looking for dye around the house, and that's what I came across, and it messed me up, y'all. But it's okay. We still slayed at the end, so it's okay. Y'all, also try dyeing your next wig like jet black and see the difference. Like the hair shines so well, and it just looks so healthy. Like, y'all, I'm gonna really start practicing dyeing hair. But yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about? It looks green at the front. I don't know why. I think it's the mixture of the bleach and then the jet black dye. Like, I don't know. That's so rude. But it's okay. The plucking still looks good. But yeah, another lesson. Also, y'all saw me y'all saw me clean my forehead. Like, clean off that makeup. If y'all want to clean, like install, clean off that makeup. Clean off all the sweat from your forehead with some 91% alcohol. And yeah, your wig will last and, you know, kind of blend better with your skin. So this is what we're looking like, y'all. I also washed the hair and ended up blow drying it after, and it just came out 10 times better. I'm loving this like plucking I did. Now going in with my bow hold, y'all. Stop using the active one. I like the regular one better. Like the active was not doing anything, so I just went back to regular, because what? So that's what I'm just doing. I'm gonna do 2 coats. And I still got this wig on my head, and it's been about a week and some change now, and it's still flat down, y'all. Okay, another key: make sure whenever you're just chilling at home, taking a shower, doing anything, make sure you have your wig tied up. Okay, you could just have the front tied up. You don't have to put in a bonnet, but make sure you have the front tied up. Like, don't ask me, oh, why do your wig look so good and mine don't look good? Like, sis, what are you doing with your wig? Are you taking care of it in the meantime, or are you just letting it, you know, roam earth? You gotta take care of it. You gotta tie your wig down, sweetie. Put your wig up in a bonnet when you're not really showing out for anybody, okay? Don't flat iron it every day. Don't wash it every weekend and then brush it all out. I don't know what other tips to give y'all, but yeah, like, you can't expect your wig to last forever, ever. Even though it can, but it just depends on you. What you doing today to make it last, okay? That was a little motivational speech, okay? Don't play with me. I am not one of them. Just kidding, y'all. Just kidding. But yeah, y'all see me. Y'all, please do not mind my kitchen. Like, sometimes I be wanting to perm my hair just so it can match my wigs, but that's ghetto. I'm not gonna do that. Like, just don't look at the back of my head, okay? But y'all, don't this look like a fresh perm? Child, look at this install, y'all. And I didn't even cut the lace off yet, and it's just blending with the skin. And that's on what? That's on period. That's on no lace tint. Yeah, I'm loving this lace from Vivi Babi Hair. Like, y'all did that. Y'all did that. The lace is super thin. Please forgive that green tint right there, okay? Like, the install was bomb. It's just that green tint that's messing me up. But now we're gonna go to the most important part. You guys always want to, know how I do my body wave wigs, how I get my curls looking so voluptuous, so thick, so bomb. Today I actually did not go in and what's the word, like razor up the hair. I can't think of the word right now, but I didn't do that. Oh, layer it. I didn't layer it today. I just went in and curled it like that. You know, I was like, let me just test this out and see what we're working with. And this hair took everything well. It took heat well, no shedding. Like, y'all, just wait till you see these curls. So I'm gonna be quiet. Like, I feel like the work shows for itself. I don't know how to explain my curling method. I already curled the half off camera, and that's this side I'm just doing for y'all right now. But it's so easy to curl. Like, you just have to be patient enough to want to part it correctly, and then just hold it. That's the key, honestly. But y'all been talking for too long. Let me hush. Okay, you guys have been patient enough. Now we're gonna take off that scarf, reveal. And you guys know me, I always gotta go in with my brush because I like big curls. I don't like my curls tight. And boom, like boom. Y'all see this? Wait. Boom, y'all see this? This is that Vivi Babi hair. This is that Vivi Babi wig, y'all need to check the description box. Cop your wig if you guys want some money during this pandemic. You know, cop your wig and then make a YouTube video. You know, get started on that YouTube video. Okay, get started on your YouTube channel. Stop slacking on yourself, sis. Start that YouTube channel today. You know, post up in your new wig and boom, give face, y'all, give face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys check that description box and subscribe and join the Slay team and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye guys. You know, you can watch me film myself for a little bit. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
She make it look good, she make it look easy, yeah. She never come down, she never come easy, no. We make it look good.